every other Tesla on the road. But it's not just about making the system smarter, it's about making your driving experience more personalized. Tesla's AI takes into account your individual driving habits and preferences. So if you're a driver who likes to take it slow on winding country roads, your Tesla will learn this and adjust its autopilot settings to match your style. This level of personalization is made possible by the power of machine learning, a branch of AI that allows systems to learn from experience. As Tesla's fleet of vehicles grows and more data is collected, the autopilot system becomes better at understanding and adapting to the unique driving styles of its users. The implications of this are profound. It means that your Tesla isn't just a vehicle, it's a learning machine, constantly adapting to you, to the world around it, and to the collective wisdom of thousands of other Teslas. Tesla's success with AI is a clear indication of the immense potential that this technology holds for the future of driving. So, what can we take away from all this? We've journeyed through the expansive terrain of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on driving. We've seen how AI is not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality that's redefining our relationship with vehicles. It's creating a driving experience that's more personalized, more intuitive, and even safer. A shining example of this revolution is Tesla's autopilot system. By harnessing the power of AI, Tesla has brought us closer to the dream of self-driving cars, demonstrating that AI is not just about futuristic fantasies, but about practical solutions that enhance our everyday lives. AI is not just driving cars, it's driving progress, pushing boundaries, and charting the course towards a future that's more connected, more efficient, and more sustainable. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride, because as AI continues to advance, the future of driving is set to become more personalized, more intuitive, and more exciting than ever before.